Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a healthy and delicious fish noodle soup using salmon and coley fish and rice vermicelli noodles. This is a spicy Oriental style fish soup. For this hearty fish soup recipe, I'll be using chunks of boneless coley and salmon fish fillets. This is the coley fish with its skin on, but the skin has been descaled. As you can see, the skin is black in color or coal-like, and that's how it has got its name. It's delicious to eat, believe me. And quite a chunky fish. This is a salmon fish, a very healthy and oily fish, which is absolutely delicious to eat, and it's got its skin on as well. The other ingredients are some shallots, green chilies, garlic, galangal, lemongrass, and coriander leaves and stalks. The juice of one lime and its zest and some lime peels. Pour some oil in a big stock pot. Add the shallots, the green chilies, the galangal, lemongrass into the pot, and then give it a stir. Then add the coriander leaves and stalks into the pot. Followed by the lime zest, lime peels, and the lime juice. Now add some coconut milk into the pot. This is quite thick coconut milk that we will dilute with water. Add the water into the pot. And give the pot a stir so that everything gets mixed in. Add the rest of the coconut milk. I am using one whole can of coconut milk for this recipe, and this is the liquid in which the fish is going to poach. Add some more lime juice. And give the pot a stir. Now we are going to add the fish into the pot. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to the pot and salt according to your taste. Give the pot a stir. Then put the lid on and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the lid off and take out the fish pieces from the pot. As you can see, the fish pieces have cooked through. Set it aside for the time being. It's time to blend the fish broth with a hand blender or a blending machine. Now we are going to strain the fish broth using a colander. Mash the solid ingredients to get the maximum flavor. And that is our soup base for this recipe. Now we are going to shred the fish into smaller pieces and get rid of any bones we come across. There shouldn't be any because these are boneless pieces after all. I'm going to keep the skin too, but you can discard it if you don't want it. Let's look at the second batch of ingredients for our spicy soup. We will need some chopped garlic, some sliced red onions, some sliced spring onions, some sliced tomato, sliced yellow pepper, and some sliced pak choy. Pour some oil in a large pot. Add some toasted sesame oil for the distinctive oriental flavor. Then add garlic to the pot, followed by the sliced onions. Give them a stir and fry for a minute. Then add the other vegetables into the pot. Stir them about. Then add a bit of dark soya sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce into the pot. Give the pot a stir to mix everything in. Then add the fish pieces into the pot. Again, stir the pot so that everything gets mixed in. Here I have some rice vermicelli noodles that just need to be soaked in hot water for 4 to 5 minutes to be ready. And then I'm going to add them into the pot and mix them in. Stir the pot to mix them in. Now it's time to add the fish broth into the pot and let everything simmer away for 2 minutes. Stir the pot and our delicious fish noodle soup is ready to be plated up. Let's take it out. This fish noodle soup is very healthy and flavorful recipe which you can customize to your own taste by using any fish or vegetables of your choice. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel The Omnivore Indian for more. Enjoy!